So we're going to look at the Lenz 10330-01 Silver Direct decoder. So this is a direct 8-pin decoder. It's a fully DCC NMRA compliant decoder, so it follows all of the recommended practices. So it will work with any DCC system. As you can see, the 8 pins are on the board, so this is a more specialist one. It works in a lot of OOHO diesels. So you can see on the bottom, when it will focus, that pin 1 is marked with a little golden number 1. So grab that there, it's just there, that's pin 1. You can just see it glinting as I rotate it. So pin 1 is in this corner of the decoder. Okay. The Silver Direct decoder features its Lenz's Railcom and ABC braking as well, and we have 3 functions on here, so headlights, tail lights and another, usually a cab light on their models. So people designing locos with 8-pin sockets normally have only 2 or 3 functions above and beyond the motor control function. So I'm going to have a look at a representative locomotive. In this case it's a Roco East German diesel, and this one actually is quite clever in where the decoder socket is hidden. We'll lever up that panel and pull it forward, and that's the decoder socket. It's an NEM652 is the number. All we need to do is pull out this blank. There we go. Keep that, if you ever want to put it back to original condition you can just drop that plug back in, and we need to locate pin number 1 on here, and on this circuit board you'll see there is marked a number 1. Yeah, it's just in this corner, so pin number 1 is going to line up there. This is going to be a bit awkward to do with the camera in the way, so we'll just take our time. There we go. So it just plugs in there, and then cover it up again. Okay, I just realised what's obstructing that. So if you just spread the cab, so grab the cab on each side and just open it, you can lift that up a bit on this model, and then what we can do is drop that down in and then push the cab down. So that's how to fit it. That's much better. So the decoder gives you control over the functions, so lights on and off, direction, and there. And they've got this really excellent motor control. You have function 3 on the decoder set up for shunting speed, so it will halve the speed. And function 4 is set up so that it will ignore all the acceleration deceleration delays. So it gives you much more direct control on a rotary hand controller like this. So that's just function 4 deactivated again. this has just been a short video just to demonstrate how simple it is to use Lenz decoders. On our website there are many more videos showing how to do more advanced programming with CVs, things like function mapping, acceleration and braking delay, just changing the performance characteristics of your locos. So I go into much more depth elsewhere, but they are an excellent complement to good quality locos, so you'll see fine motor control and reliability for your DCC fleet.